Get ready to be amazed because this completely honest finding perfect is officially taking over the internet. Wait, do not swipe away just yet. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it saves you so much time. No more wasting your hard-earned cash on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly shockingly good at what it does for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity before it's completely gone. Get ready to be amazed because this completely honest finding perfect is officially taking over the internet. Wait, do not swipe away just yet.